Good morning, students. Now we are going to calculate the Laplace transform of one-sided exponential signal. See the Laplace transform of e power minus at u of t. It is one-sided exponential signal. So x of t here it is e power minus at u of t. So first let us plot the signal e power minus at u of t. So we know that e to the power of 0 is 1, e to the power of infinity is infinity, and e to the power of minus infinity is 0. Right? At t is equal to 0, signal is e to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. So it starts at origin with amplitude 1, and as t tending to infinity, e to the power of minus into infinity, so that e power minus infinity is 0. So it goes to 0 from 1 in the exponentially decaying manner. So this is the signal e power minus at u of t. Since u of t is there, the signal should be existing only right-handed side. But this is the plot of the signal e to the power of minus at u of t, a one-sided exponential signal. So we are going to calculate the Laplace transform of this exponential along with the plot of ROC. Right. So let us consider the Laplace transform of this signal as x of s. General formula for x of s is minus infinity to plus infinity x of t e to the power of minus st dt. Let us substitute this exponential in the place of x of t in this formula, so that we are getting minus infinity to plus infinity e power minus at u of t and e power minus st dt. So u of t, we know that it is equal to 1 over the integral 0 to infinity. We can replace u of t with 1 now. And these two are the exponentials. We can combine these two exponentials into a single exponential like this, minus taking common, s plus a t dt. Now we can integrate this exponential. So this integral is e power minus of s plus a t divided by minus of s plus a with the t running from 0 to infinity. Right. So here once again when we are substituting the limit infinity, we should take care that it should not go to infinity. Signal should be converging. So that let us substitute the limits first. Minus 1 by s plus a, and upper limit now e to the power of minus of s plus a, upper limit is infinity, minus e to the power of 0. Once again, let us verify the values of s plus a. We should get this one as e to the power of minus infinity, which should be equal to 0. Then to get minus infinity here, s plus a must be a positive quantity. That means s plus a should be greater than 0. That implies real part of s must be greater than minus a. Right. So this is the region of convergence for this signal while we are substituting the limits infinity. So let us simplify that expression first to get the Laplace transform expression. Simplification of this one, if this is 0, first term. Second term e power 0 is 1. So this is the expression remaining minus 1 by s plus a into minus 1, or 1 by s plus a is the Laplace transform of this given exponential signal. So that e power minus at u of t, Laplace transform is 1 by s plus a with region of convergence, real part of s greater than minus a. Right. So this is the conclusion for us, the Laplace transform along with ROC. So from this, just let us consider some numerical examples of exponentials. Hope you have noted all these things. Now just I am rewriting this one, e to the power of minus at u of t, Laplace transform 1 by s plus a with ROC, real part of s greater than 0. Sorry, greater than minus a. Fine. From this, we are taking some numerical examples. E power minus 5t u of t, Laplace transform should be 1 by s plus 5 with ROC, real part of s greater than minus 5. Observe, here pole value is at minus 5, that's why greater than minus 5. Or what is the constant here? That is nothing but pole. So real part of s should be greater than pole. Similarly here pole value minus 5. So real part of s greater than minus 5. Similarly e to the power of plus 5t u of t. Obviously it is Laplace transform 1 by s minus 5 is the Laplace transform, and ROC is real part of s greater than plus 5 is the pole. That's why plus 5. But not less than sign here, because both are right sided signals, so that greater than symbol should be there in the ROC expression. This numericals also should be noted. Fine. Thank you.